Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. If you're new, welcome. We appreciate y'all watching. Just wanted to jump in here before we get to the rock tumbling video. Couple of things to note. The intro to this video is different. Wanted to get your input to see which one you guys prefer, the scenic drive or the streamlined version. We're trying to shake things up. The audio on this may be a little bit wonky because iPhone changed to the USB-C and my lavalier mics were all for the fire, so they don't work. So let me know what you think of the audio. I should have the new mics tomorrow, but I go back to work and this is my long week, so I probably won't be filming anything else the rest of this week until the weekend, Sunday. Anyway, again, let us know what you think of the intro, which one you prefer. Put down in the comments below. And I hope y'all are having a good week. My week is just fixing to start tomorrow. On to the video. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, just a quick update on the rock tumbling. I just pulled these out and they are, let me wet this down. I rinsed them off outside, but these are just absolutely stunning. This one's got a fracture right through it. I'm gonna see how it goes. Some people I have seen will take and cut those. This one looks like it might have a little fracture in it too, but it's kind of funny. This, I don't know if you can see that or not. That's all that was left of one of the rocks. Some of these really disappeared. There's another one right there. I'm just for giggles gonna put it all back in there. It's a nice agate, I think. Some really interesting stones. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all this back in the cup. Okay, so I got step 2 here, and we're just gonna put the rest of this bag in. I'll let this go about a week, and we'll check back and see how it's gone. The instructions on these tumblers say to leave them on something that's not flammable. I guess that's a risk of, there is a risk of fire. This is the final step, so we're going to take and pull these out, wash them off, and see how they turned out. These have been in the polishing media for the last week. I'm excited to see how they turned out, or if they just turned to a bunch of sand. So we're in the backyard now. This is the way I usually do these. I've got a colander here that whenever you don't want to put this dust in down your sink. It'll set up like concrete in your drain, and then you'll have a real problem. So I take and I rinse them off out here. If it's cold or whatever, I've got a bucket that I set in the sink, or actually it's a little trash can. I set it in the sink and I rinse it, set this in it. Well, I'll show you. I do like this, and then what you can see in the bottom here, this is like concrete. The dust and whatnot from this. So I'm gonna pour this out and get my water going here. Oops. Rinse out my jug really, really good. You really want to make sure you get all the grit off of everything before you start another batch. Let's see here, let me zoom out a bit. There we go. That feels like glass. Man, it's just super, super smooth. There is a crack in that. This fluorite doesn't seem to hold up as well as these are rocks, the rest of the ones that I had from Ireland. I think there was a couple of these that I might have found locally. This one's really cool looking. Looks yeah, that one was really neat. All right, so there's the slurry. Get the hose turned on here. This should be fairly clean because this was just a slurry of borax, Arm & Hammer borax. I've run it for the last week, and I just take and rinse it really good. All right, so here I've got them all unloaded. Wow, these really look so freaking cool. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if we can get in close here. This one, that's a beautiful color. I think that's agate. This one, I'm not sure what that is. That might be quartz. Of course, we got all of these fluorite, which the color, it's kind of coming through. This is green and purple. This one it almost looks like sea glass. This one is just pretty awesome too. Another one. Well, that kind of made it dull, didn't it, on my shirt? But all of these, except for the fluorite, all of these come from Ireland as well. So, and we're going back in a couple of weeks, and I'm going to load up. Wow, that is just awesome. So stick around, come back and see us, because we will be doing more stones from Ireland. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.